Good morning. Not bad. Little bit misty, yeah? Yeah. It can be. It can be. Yeah. Long. It's so hot. Not yet. Only 1 kilometer. Sunrise. Finished. Oh, not here. Not finished. Yeah. But yeah, this season is off season, so nobody here. Take a shot, no problem. Freedom. Oh, must be near. There is flag. Oh, my voice is like a shaking. No, shaking. There are a lot of small parking. This is for small car. Yeah, it's a lot. Oh, over there. Maybe season time. Lot of car coming. Yeah, and the place is also parking. Best time. View is like this. Yeah. Today, no. Yeah. I can say a little bit. No. But yeah, there is chance until 8 o'clock. I think now around 6:30 a.m. Yeah. So I have time. Okay, the place is, yeah, highest place to watch castle. It's so hard. Yeah, between parking to here, so hard climb. Okay, I didn't see that properly. Yeah. Okay. Come on, crowd. Lots of crowd. Come on. Not yet. 3, 2, 1. Only missed. Yeah, I know. Off season. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. I knew it. If I have luck, if I have super luck, yeah. But not yet. I have time. Now around 7 o'clock. Look at this here. There is cloud. Yeah. It's good. I can imagination on season. So much beautiful place, I think. Yeah. Fantasy view. All of crowd. Like Sky Island. Yeah. Yeah, I have luck. Yeah. Wow, I'm moving hard. Yeah, this season it's impossible to feeling, but now I can feel. uh, oh, the crowd is a little bit more. Yeah, this is amazing. I understand. I got one thing, that is try to feel that one. Yeah, first of all, look at this. No crowd, right? Yeah, so I feel like okay, off season like this. Yeah, but I'm looking and thinking, and I'm thinking about, oh no, I try to feel, before, a little bit crowd is there, right? Yeah, so I can imagination. So I try to feel imagination to all of crowd. Yeah. And then I start to move it hard. Yeah. That is incredible. So same feeling about when people watching the crowd see. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, same feeling I can feel it. Yeah, so that is important. The same place. Yeah, that easy. Yeah, that easy. Like oh, this is boring. This is like this place is bad. This point is bad. This point, for example, like a lot of bug here. So a lot of bug. This is bad place. Like this. Yeah, easy to see that kind of thing. That kind of rubbish. Yeah, but if people try to enjoy and moving hard, yeah, possible. Yeah, the time, yeah, people can feel like a more enjoy, more like a we can get energy, power, the moving heart power. Wow, that is amazing. That is good point. Yeah, I can learn a lot. Like I can learn big thing today. Yeah, this place I recommend to you guys. Takeda Castle Ruins is there, and this place is Ritsuun-kyo. Yeah, this is viewpoint to the Takeda Castle Ruins. Yeah, little bit hard climb between parking to here, like 30 minutes. Lot of steps and steep. I forgot. Yeah, the uphill. Yeah, but just 30 minutes, not so much long. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, not so much bug here. You should wear the long t-shirt, the long pants is the best. I think. Yeah. Oh, lot of spray. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. This is good. This is amazing. I love it. Step is high, but I cannot understand on the video. Somebody coming up like this, little bit steep. They looks tired. Well, this is nice view. Not viewpoint. I just find like this place. Yeah.
Good, good.